7 ways by which stress harms your health.
7 ways by which stress harms your health. In response to danger, crisis, or annoyance, the body enters a fight or flight state, and hormones are produced to achieve the desired response. However, if stress is not well managed, it can remain longer or become chronic, resulting in a variety of health concerns in each of the body systems listed below. The body prepares most of the muscles to stay alert in a stressful environment. In a stressful circumstance, this indicates that the person's breathing becomes faster and heavier. In people with asthma or emphysema, stress can trigger an attack or worsen symptoms. Blood is pumped faster to reach all of the muscles when the body is stressed, as previously explained. Stress alters the delicate balance of hormones such as cortisol, dopamine, adrenaline, and serotonin, which has serious consequences for the brain and immune system. Immunity is important in the fight against disease-causing microorganisms, and it is this that is injured in a stressful situation, leading to a weakened immune system. People who are constantly stressed are more prone to common colds, flu, and other illnesses. People that are stressed are always tired, fatigued, and have body aches. When persons with autoimmune disorders such as lupus or inflammatory bowel disease are stressed, their symptoms worsen. Stressed people tend to be irritable, anxious, and are prone to depression. Nervous behavior such as nail biting, fidgeting, and pacing is more common in stressed persons. Stress is known to cause or intensify addictions such as drug misuse, alcohol abuse, violent behavior, and kleptomania. On the cognitive side, stressed persons are more likely to worry constantly, be pessimistic, forget things, put off simple tasks, be disorganized, have trouble focusing, and occasionally make poor decisions. Stress disrupts sleep patterns, which leads to insomnia, nightmares, and a vicious cycle of anxiety and sickness. People who are stressed get repeated headaches throughout the day. Stressed people, on the other hand, refuse to relax their muscles, resulting in sores, aches, pains, and tightness in various joints throughout the body. It can cause or exacerbate the symptoms of arthritis and fibromyalgia over time. Stress can also lead to skin and hair problems like hair loss and acne. Eczema, psoriasis, and rosacea sufferers experience severe symptoms when they are stressed. Stress causes delayed, heavier, painful, or skipped periods in women, as well as exacerbating the symptoms of menopause. Acid reflux, heartburn, ulcers, stomach discomfort, nausea, vomiting, and bloating are all symptoms of chronic stress. Constipation and binge eating are common side effects of stress. If the liver reacts to stress by creating more blood sugar or glucose, the extra sugar can lead to type 2 diabetes if the stress is continued. Sweating is natural in a healthy person, however persons who are persistently stressed sweat excessively. Managing stress can be complex.
Thank you for watching. Hope you will like the video I created for you. Please support me, click on subscribe. Then click on the bell. Please tap the below to view videos of the same series.